So sometimes your KitchenAid, let's see what model this is. Model K as in Kilo, F as in Foxtrot, C as in Charlie, 2, E as in Echo, V as in Victor, M as in Mike, S as in Sierra, 0. Stops dispensing water the way it should. So what's happening with this water dispenser is when you press the button, it will stay on and it gets water everywhere. And so this switch here is sticking. It's not doing what it should be doing. So what I'm gonna do is get some of this marine grade grease. It's multi-purpose. You can see a little jet ski here and a boat and some waves. And they need to add an icon for refrigerators. And pop this open. We're gonna just get a nice little fingerful of grease. Got my glove here. Just about that much. Let the camera focus on that. We're gonna go ahead and grease this guy right up, right on where, right at its connection point. And, oops, sorry, let's try that. Make sure, get the camera right. That should give us some good lubrication. I'm also gonna lubricate this area, right where the switch is at. See if that helps things out. And then I'm gonna test it with a screwdriver. Go ahead and clean this little piece of grease off with this old sock cutting. Pop that right there. Alright, this is kind of a three-handed test. So bring me up here. Alright. Put the camera there. Alright, getting some good movement there. Okay. Pop this assembly back in. One quick last look at the grease. Grease is looking good. So yeah, I'll pop this guy back in. Hold up, I gotta get another thing to hold the water just in case it spills as I push the plastic back in. I'm trying to do too much. And I just pop this out under here with a little flat blade screwdriver. Alright, let's test it now. Oh yeah. That's what you want. Nothing a little bit of marine grade grease can't fix. And then the other pro tip, always have, you never want to use a decorative rag here that's not absorbent. You always want to use one that's very, very absorbent, very sponge-like, preferably cotton, so that if your grease does fail, you have something to wipe up the water. Alright, bye world. Hope that helps fix your KitchenAid water dispenser when it gets stuck on.